Stop lying to yourself. Stop telling yourself you're gonna do something and not do it. Whenever you tell yourself that you're gonna wake up at a specific time, for example, 6 a.m., or you say you're gonna go to the gym at 3 p.m., or you're gonna put an extra 2 hours into your side hustle at 8 p.m., and you don't do it, you're ruining your discipline and making yourself more lazy. You see, discipline is built with little wins, and consistency compounds. It's so easy to start. It's the easiest thing. All you have to do is stack little wins. Tell yourself you're gonna do things that are realistic and actually do them. This will build trust with yourself. You don't trust yourself. Now that's fucking insane. If you say you're gonna read one chapter of a book, you don't actually believe that you're gonna do it. This kills your progress in life. It kills your confidence. If you don't even believe and trust the words that you say, how the hell are other people supposed to believe you? Stop lying to yourself. Do what you say you're gonna do. Now I know obviously this is easier said than done. Building discipline and staying consistent is something that I've personally struggled with over the last couple of months. But throughout my journey, I've discovered that it's actually not complicated. It is very simple, but still difficult. Most of you were probably like me, where you ended up becoming disciplined for a couple of days, and then you fall off track and the cycle just continues and continues. That is the worst place to be in. That is the worst trap that your mind can be stuck in. Now you're probably wondering, Felix, how did you get out of this? How did you crack the code, break the cycle? What did you do? Who helped you? It's cold outside. The truth is, I didn't do it alone. I was stuck in the exact same cycle as you. I was struggling. But I had one thing on my side. I had one catalyst that helped change my life. And all it took was 1 week to push myself up that steep hill. 1 week to get myself past the barriers that my shitty dopamine addicted mind was setting. All it takes is 1 week. And like I said, I had help. I didn't do this alone. The strategies and the tools that I use to become more disciplined will be revealed at the end of this video. Do not stop. Now, obviously, in today's world, it's a lot more difficult to become disciplined than it was 50 or even 100 years ago. The reason is we are constantly being distracted by our phones, by social media, and by lustful bullshit, naked girls, desensitization. Everything is fucked. 99% of us are fucking dopamine addicted. One bald kickboxer, you know who I'm talking about, said it best. Your brains are fucking fried like a fried egg. It's fucking true. It's sad, but it's true. We wake up in the morning, we pick up our phones, we start scrolling. Pick up our phone halfway through our workday, forget why we opened it, and then start scrolling. It's not normal. You see these photos on the screen? They're just photos of the phone being removed from the picture. If there was a drug that caused you to stare at your hands for 8 hours a day, everybody would be in fear of it. But no, everybody loves phones. They love technology because they are weak-minded. We're all dopamine addicted. But one part of discipline and becoming a better person is learning how to manage and improve your dopamine addiction. I would be a liar if I said I could help you get rid of it completely, because even I slip up once in a while. But the tools I use to become more disciplined also help me kill my dopamine addiction and go from 7 hours of screen time a day all the way down to just 2. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd much rather take 2 hours of educational use on my phone rather than 7 hours of stupid, lustful bullshit. The average person is on track to wasting 1/3 of their life on their fucking phones. 1/3. Think about how much you can do with your time. 1/3 of your time you're sleeping. So now you only have 1/3 left to actually do something productive with your life. 1/3. That's not enough. It's really not enough. Our ancestors had fucking 2/3 of their life to do something successful, and you only hear a couple of popular names. It's up to you. Do you just want to be a number, or do you want to be a name? Do you want to be remembered for something great? And even if you don't want to be remembered for something great, you're going to want your kids and your family and your future wife or husband to, if you're a girl, you're going to want them to remember you as somebody who was disciplined and somebody who did what they said they were going to do, not somebody who goes back on their word. Now listen, I know I've kept you guys waiting for the tool this entire video, but it's because it's important. The tool I used was built up by my good friend Brandon Roeder. I'll link his YouTube in the description. He personally went through his own 26-week transformation where you can see him go from dopamine addicted, terrible discipline, all the way up to who he is now, a monumentally successful young man with tons of discipline and no dopamine addiction. Now, obviously, out of his generosity, he built up his own protocol to help people just like you kill their dopamine addictions and become way more disciplined. Now, this protocol is a 90-day protocol called Digital Discipline. It includes tons of tools to help you progress, direct contact with Brandon Roeder and I, along with challenges and a full video course. Lastly, within the program, there is also money-making opportunities for every single person who joins. We are giving you a way to make money online from your house. Anybody can do it. All you have to do is clip videos. Now, if you don't want to do that and you just want to progress in your own life, the program is perfect for you. If you want to kill your dopamine addiction and become disciplined, now is the time. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till New Year's. Do what you said you were going to do. Now, to prove that I'm not only doing this for my own benefit, we are giving out 10 free permanent memberships to the program. One other thing I forgot to mention is you'll also get access to our community. You'll be able to message and be linked with like-minded individuals. Another thing is you'll get paired with somebody based on your similarities and your difficulties, and you guys will be able to hold each other accountable. Now, like I said, we are giving away 10 free memberships. If you want to enter the giveaway for the 10 free memberships, go to my Instagram @sabsells. I'll link it down below. All you have to do is follow me and DM me the words 10. 10 of you lucky people will be sent the free access link. I'll obviously put in the comments once all 10 people are in for free. Everybody else, if you want access, hit the link in the description. It is currently 50% off. You'll see it down there, the link for Digital Discipline. You could also hit the link in my bio in my Instagram @sabsells. Thank you guys all for hearing me out. I hope you finally do what you say you're gonna do. Lock the fuck in.